Hey everyone, Jayhawk250 here. So what I got going on here? Wonder what it could be. Looks like I gotta be repower my bass boat with a new 4-stroke. Right now I'm trying to get the original engine off and get everything, all the controls all disconnected before I even install the actual outboard. But what I got here is a Parsun F130 4-stroke. I need to get busy. Got a lot of work ahead of me. Oh, I got the old motor unhooked. Get ready to grab the other one out the back of the truck and mount it. Yeah, so I was able to get out the back of my truck with my engine lift. I'm gonna uncrate it and hook up the lift and then mount it on the boat. So I got it all mounted up on the boat. Now it's a matter of hook up all the controls, wiring, the whole 9 yards. But I think I'm done for today. I'll tackle this again tomorrow. Man, that motor sure looks pretty on the back of my boat. Parsun F130 EFI. Nice, pretty stainless steel prop. Just gotta finish hooking it all up tomorrow and take it for a test run. So the worst part of this project was removing all the old controls. Pretty much had to disassemble half my boat. But the new ones will be much easier to install. Alright, so now I got everything all hooked up. Cables all hooked up. I had to fight this for a while, but I got it. Horn is all hooked up, all my cables ran. Controls all mounted. It took me a while to do it because I had to move all my old stuff and then redo some wiring while I had it all apart. And got my fuel tanks drained because I had 2-stroke all, so I had 10 gallons of fuel mixed already. And see down here, I have my fuel filter and a water separator and fuel line. I just gotta go get some more gas to put in the tank. But right now I'm getting ready to add the oil. And I have to look in the manual, but I think it was like 3.4 liters. I'll have to look for sure, but just went pick the oil up, putting that in there a little bit. So yeah, 3.2 with the filter. So let me get my funnel and everything I need, and I'll put that in. Drain plug, fill plug. Clean funnel. Magnum II Lucas. Just what the main cost of that. It has been a hot day. This is my voice. I can follow all I can. It's showing full. Of course, I'm going to have to recheck it once I run it again. But, I'm getting ready to put the cover on. I got to take it to the nearest gas station and fill my tank up so I can actually run it. I also checked the lower unit to make sure it has oil in it. And it's definitely full because it was leaking out when I turned the screw. Tighten that back up. And I'll go get some gas. Also noticed that this came with a high stainless steel prop, but only 17-inch pitch. More than likely, I have a 4-blade prop. It's a 19 pitch, but it may not be enough. But I'll test it out with a 4-blade, and if I got to get more pitch or another prop, then I'll get one. All right, got it all filled up with gas, fresh gas. Turn the water on and try her out. Be the first start. Water pump working. Yeah, I like this. Much quieter than that 2-stroke for sure. And start right up. Let it run for a little bit. Check the oil. Well, let me take care of that now. Crank it back up again. All right, got the linkage all adjusted. outboard. And reverse. Everything worked fine. Parsun F130 EFI Four-stroke.